Hello everyone, welcome to online learning program of MSBT Lead Learning at your doorstep. I am Professor Deepak Kulkarni, Head of Electronics and Telecommunication Department from KVM Polytechnic Mumbai. Welcome you all to the presentation on Digital Factory, in which we will focus on Internet of Things. After completion of the presentation, the learners would understand the use of IoT in various sectors like automobile, discrete manufacturing, and agriculture. At the end of presentation, try answering these questions: the impact of IoT on automobile industry, examples of discrete manufacturing, and activities that can be monitored and controlled by IoT in agriculture sector. In this presentation, we will see the use of IoT in automotive sector, in discrete manufacturing, and in agriculture. Due to the vast advantages of IoT, it is employed in sectors like consumer, automotive, medical, environmental, agriculture, military, industrial, retail, and many more. But in this presentation, we will focus only on automotive sector, discrete manufacturing, and agriculture sector. Let us see the first use of IoT in automobile. In automobile, the IoT is used for various applications. The first one is fleet management. The fleet means a group of trucks available with a transport company or a group of cars available with a taxi or a cab service providers. The implementation of IoT in automotive sector has brought a huge development in the field of fleet management. In the entire group of cars or a group of trucks, various sensors are been integrated with for weight management, weight measurement, location tracking, and for several other functions. The volume of sensor data gathered from such large fleet is then stored into the cloud application. It is then processed through different analytics features and conceptualized into visual format. Because of use of IoT in fleet management, the IoT provides the benefits like real-time location monitoring of the fleet, weight or volume tracking of the cargo that a fleet is carrying, truck's performance or the car's performance statistics like fuels and mileage, tracking traffic conditions on the road, route management, time and driver management. So these are the applications or benefits of IoT used in fleet management in automotive. The second used is connected cars. The idea of connected cars is not new. In fact, according to an estimation, there will be more than 250 million connected cars in the world by the end of this year. These cars are connected over an IoT network called Cellular Vehicle to Everything, that is CV2X, that connects vehicles and smart transport systems with each other. Connected cars facilitate fast transmission of data and increase driver's response time through enhanced vehicle communication. The third use of IoT is in automotive maintenance system. In this, predictive analysis is the most startling feature. The sensors embedded in the different components of car will collect data and share it to the platform. This data is then processed by an algorithm that can analyze the future outcomes of the component based on its performance. The IoT automotive maintenance system also helps a person to take necessary steps to prevent its car parts from sudden breakdown. Just like dashboards indicators of a vehicle, this system will alert the driver about the probable malfunctions. However, alerts are sent to the driver's mobiles way before the problem occurs. That is, before the problem occurs, the information about the probable problem may be given to the vehicle driver or to the owner. This is said to be a predictive analysis, and this is achieved by using different sensors. The next use of IoT is autonomous vehicle. Various car manufacturers are trying to develop a fully autonomous car that will assume all driving functions from the driver. However, semi-autonomous vehicles have already been manufactured that partially assist drivers with driving, braking, parking, and lane changing activities. IoT incorporated semi-autonomous cars takes on-spot decisions while partly controlling the vehicle operations to avoid accidents and reduce the load from the driver. Along with the different proximity sensors and cameras, cars are integrated with IoT systems to reduce human error and make driving more comfortable and safe. Along with this, we also have in-vehicle infotainment and telematics. In car, Wi-Fi capabilities powered by L4G LTE, that is long-term evolution connection, has enabled telematics features to IoT-based automotive. Telematics refers to the long transmission of computerized data. By using vehicular telematics, a car owner can keep an eye on its vehicle even from remote locations. Through a smartphone-enabled dashboard, car owners can be ensured about its security, surveillance, and safety at all times. External sensors and cameras will keep a track of the vehicle's condition and send the data to the mobile application after processing at the cloud level. So these are some of the applications of IoT in automobile. Now let us see the use of IoT in discrete manufacturing. Discrete manufacturing is a term for the manufacturing of finished products that are distinct items capable of being counted, touched, or can be seen. It involves parts and systems like nuts and bolts, brackets, wires, assemblies, and individual products which can be distinctly seen, counted, and touched also. Examples of discrete manufacturing could have vehicles, aircraft, smartphones, computers, cookwares, clothing, etc. Discrete manufacturers have the opportunity to adapt processes with IoT to lower down the cost, optimize the operations, reduce the resource consumption, improve the productivity, enhance customer services, and manage the supply chain. They can also use IoT to drive product-led benefits such as improving quality product, increasing uptime, and using actual performance data to drive future design changes in next generation products. So IoT has been also a big use in the discrete manufacturing also. So if you look at the advantage of IoT in discrete manufacturing, it provides advantages like factory visibility, where we can see the resources, where your resources are within real-time information, when they need maintenance, repair, or overall performance metrics. Next is automation, trigger changes that happen automatically based on alerts when production deviates. It also provides advantage in energy management, which saves time, money, and resources by having the transparency of when energy is used the most for better validation for assessment of overall efficiency of process. It is also used in proactive maintenance, which avoids downtime of unexpected services and repairs. And also it have a benefit in connected supply chain, where systems, machines, people, and process can flow at an optimal level of performance. So these are the various advantages of IoT in discrete manufacturing. At this level, students can try to attempt MCQ Set 1 given in formative assessment. Now let us see the use of IoT in agriculture. The traditional farming mechanisms are manual. The manual farming provides a few problems like inaccuracy in agriculture practices, labor and training cost, and irregularity due to physical monitoring. These are some of the problems which are faced by manual practices in agriculture, which is a traditional method of agriculture. By using IoT in agriculture, we provide different solutions like precision farming. It's a process or a practice which makes the farming procedure more accurate and controlled for raising livestock and growing of crops. The use of IT, that is information technology, and sensors, autonomous vehicles, automated hardware, control systems, robotics in this approach are the key components which is adapted by precision farming. Next is the smart irrigation. In this, it automatically controls the amount of water and the time of watering given to the crop to maintain the suitable moisture for efficient plant growth. For this, the system uses various sensors as shown in the figure, which will check the moisture levels and acts in real time. And also the third use is smart greenhouses. Now let us see what is a greenhouse. The greenhouse or a smart greenhouses, we go for a greenhouse farming, which is a technique that enhances the yield of crops, vegetables, fruits. A smart greenhouse through IoT embedded system monitors intelligently but controls the climate also, thereby eliminating any need for human intervention. Different sensors that measures the environmental parameters according to the requirement are used for controlling the environment in a smart greenhouse. Then a cloud server created for remotely accessing the system when it connects using IoT. As we can see in the figure, sensors and actuators are planted in a greenhouse which senses the various parameters, and the information is passed to the cloud through the gateway. The information is processed, analyzed, and feedback is given through commands which are passed through the gateway and given to the control and switchgear mechanism that control the various devices inside the greenhouse. The entire process can also be viewed by a monitor or similar display device connected to the gateway. So by using these mechanisms in IoT, we can have a greenhouse farming which enhances the crop yield, vegetables, fruits in a more efficiently and intelligent way. One of the more advancement of IoT in farming is the use of an IoT stick. As we can see in the figure, IoT stick has been developed, which has been placed in a suitable position. This kind is regarded as an IoT gadget, which focuses on live monitoring of environmental data in terms of temperature, moisture, and other types depending on sensors integrated with it. Agriculture IoT stick provides the concept of plug and play or plug and sense, in which the farmers can directly implement smart farming by putting such sticks on the field and getting live data feeds on various devices like smartphones, tablets, and then the data generated through sensors can be shared anywhere and viewed by agricultural consultants remotely via cloud computing technology. So IoT has been a biggest advantage in a farming sector also, which is completely changing the way the farming process is being done in a traditional way. At this level, students can attempt MCQ Set 2. So at the end of this presentation, the learners would have understood how IoT is implemented and advantages in various sectors like automobiles, discrete manufacturing, and agriculture. The main focus of IoT in various applications is to focus on quality, efficiency, and resource utilizations. Thank you and have a smart learning.